Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about something that has the power to change your financial future: passive income. If you've ever wondered what it's like to make money while you sleep, this video is for you. Passive income isn't just a buzzword. It's a real way to take control of your finances, build wealth, and create more freedom in your life. But let's start with the basics. What exactly is passive income, and how does it work? Passive income is money that you earn with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike your typical 9 to 5 job, where you trade hours for dollars, passive income continues to flow even when you're not actively working. That doesn't mean it's effortless, though. Setting up a passive income stream requires time, effort, and sometimes money up front. But once you've laid the foundation, it becomes much easier to maintain, and the rewards can be life-changing. There are countless ways to generate passive income, but they all share a common goal: creating systems that work for you, rather than the other way around. For example, you could invest in assets that grow in value over time, like stocks or real estate. Or you could create a digital product, like an online course, that generates sales long after it's been launched. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you don't have to choose just one. Many people build multiple streams of passive income to diversify their earnings and reduce risk. But why is passive income so powerful? The answer lies in how it changes your relationship with time. In a traditional job, your income is tied directly to the hours you work. If you want to earn more, you have to work more. But passive income breaks that cycle. It allows you to scale your earnings without being limited by the number of hours in a day. Imagine earning money from dividends, rental income, or digital sales while you're spending time with family, traveling, or simply relaxing. That's the freedom passive income can provide. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but isn't it risky? The truth is, every financial decision carries some level of risk. But here's the good news: you can manage that risk by starting small and diversifying your income streams. The most important step is just to start. The earlier you begin building passive income, the more time you give your investments or projects to grow and compound. In the next section, we'll dive into specific examples of passive income streams and how to get started with each one. Whether you're interested in investing, creating, or building, there's a strategy that's right for you. Let's explore those options together and find the one that fits your goals and lifestyle. Now that we've talked about what passive income is and why it's so powerful, let's dive into some specific examples of how you can start building it for yourself. The great thing about passive income is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. You can choose strategies that match your skills, interests, and financial goals. Let's explore a few of the most popular and effective ways to generate passive income. One of the most common methods is through investments, and dividend stocks are a great place to start. When you buy shares in a company that pays dividends, you receive regular payments just for holding on to those shares. Think of it as a reward for being a shareholder. What's even better is that many companies increase their dividends over time, which means your passive income can grow year after year without you having to lift a finger. To get started, research well-established companies with a history of reliable dividend payments. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your money work for you. Real estate is another incredibly effective way to generate passive income. Owning rental properties allows you to earn consistent income from tenants while your property value appreciates over time. If managing a property feels overwhelming, don't worry. There are ways to simplify it. You can hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day tasks, like finding tenants and collecting rent. And if buying a property outright isn't within your budget, you can still invest in real estate through real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These let you earn income from real estate without having to own or manage a property yourself. If investments aren't your thing, you might want to explore opportunities in the digital world. For example, creating and selling an online course can be an excellent way to generate passive income. Whether you're an expert in cooking, graphic design, or even fitness, there's a good chance you can teach others and monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell courses, and once your content is live, it can continue earning money for months or even years. Another popular strategy is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even an active social media account, you can promote products or services you believe in and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a great way to monetize your online presence while providing value to your audience. Many people turn this into a significant income stream by focusing on products that align with their personal brand or niche. And let's not forget about digital products. Whether it's an ebook, printables, or templates, creating something once and selling it multiple times is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income. Platforms like Etsy or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to get started. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you could create printable planners or calendars and sell them online. Each sale brings in income without any additional work on your part. There are countless other ways to build passive income, from licensing your photos to starting a dropshipping business. The key is to pick something that resonates with you and take the first step. Remember, passive income doesn't mean no effort. It means putting in the work up front to create something that can pay off over time. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits. In the next section, we'll focus on how to develop a long-term plan to maximize your passive income streams and create financial freedom. It's not just about choosing one strategy. It's about building a diversified system that works for you. Let's take the next step together. Now that you've seen how many ways there are to create passive income, let's talk about how to put it all together into a plan that works for you. The most successful strategies for building passive income don't rely on a single source. They combine multiple streams. By diversifying your efforts, you reduce risk and maximize your earning potential. Let's look at how to create a long-term system that brings you closer to financial freedom. The first step is to set clear goals. What do you want your passive income to achieve? Are you looking to cover small monthly expenses, like your utility bills? Or are you aiming for complete financial independence? Having a specific target in mind will help you decide where to focus your energy and resources. For example, if you're aiming for steady cash flow, rental properties or dividend stocks might be your best bet. If you're more interested in scalable growth, digital products or online courses could be the way to go. Once you've defined your goals, the next step is to prioritize your efforts. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the number of options out there, but you don't have to do everything at once. Start with one or two strategies that align with your strengths and interests. Maybe you're good at writing, so creating an ebook is a natural fit. Or perhaps you have some savings and want to explore dividend investing. The key is to take action, even if it's a small step. Remember, every great passive income stream starts with a single idea. Another important part of your plan is consistency. Passive income doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort to build, but the rewards are worth it. Make it a habit to invest regularly, update your digital products, or create new content for your audience. Over time, these small actions will add up and compound into something much bigger. Finally, don't forget to review and adjust your strategy as you go. Life changes, and so do your goals. Maybe you start with affiliate marketing, but later realize you'd rather focus on real estate. That's okay. The beauty of passive income is that it's flexible. You can adapt your approach based on what's working and what aligns with your lifestyle. As you build your passive income streams, something amazing happens. You gain more freedom. Freedom to spend your time the way you want, whether that's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. Passive income doesn't just improve your finances, it improves your life. To wrap things up, let's recap. Passive income is all about creating systems that work for you, whether it's through investments, real estate, digital products, or online businesses. It requires effort up front, but the long-term rewards are worth it. By diversifying your income streams and staying consistent, you can build a foundation for financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite idea for creating passive income? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.